Hands up.
What is he like?
Now can we start baking?
No, Joe, I don't have any flour.
Yes! My first delivery. Wait, here. Flowers.
Joe, that is not the flour I need. I need this kind of flour. And I need more of this kind of flour. Come on!
Flour.
Thank you, Joe. I guess this'll do. Okay, Julie, now we're ready to make some scones. We need butter.
My second delivery. Wait, here.
Where has he gone now? Thank you, Joe, but not a cow. We need butter. Cows make milk.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy
Dazzy Day. Oh, wow.
A delivery. Wait. A brush for the lion.
Lions don't use a brush, Joe. They use a tree.
A tree? I will use the brush. Boots.
They're too small and pink.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy Dazzy Day.
Hands up.
Some paper!
Thank you, Joe. Paper to paint the pictures.
Can I paint a picture too? Yes! Great! I may, what's your favorite color? Yellow? We have no yellow! I know! Wait, here! I got good news! I have some yellow paint!
That's blue! That's blue!
Oh, it's blue!
You need to go get another one!
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy Dazzy Day. Hey, Ozzy, look at all these lovely paintings.
My deliveries are bin bags, water, and oil.
You need to clean the bus.
Yeah, the bus is very untidy. Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
Look at all of this rubbish.
Yeah.
Will you help me clean this up?
Yes.
Yes.
I have an idea. Wait here. Wait.
Hey!
I have deliveries. Hi, Jack. Can we go to town now?
No.
Why? There's no oil in the engine.
But I broke it.
Don't worry. Wait here.
We're gone.
Enough, yeah? Perfect. Good job. So, the bus is working now,
Yeah.
but we still have to wash the bus.
Yeah.
A bucket and a sponge.
Too small.
Too small?
Yeah, I'm done.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy
Dizzy
Dazzy.